Repeat after me. I drink a cup of coffee every morning. She drinks tea with milk for breakfast. You play the guitar very well. He plays football with his friends on Saturdays. We live in a small house near the park. They live in a big city far away. It rains a lot in this country. I work in an office from 9 to 5. She works as a teacher in a primary school. You speak English very clearly. He speaks 3 different languages fluently. We dinner together every night. They eat lunch at the cafeteria at noon. I sleep for 8 hours every night. She sleeps soundly after a busy day. You read books before you go to bed. He reads the newspaper every single morning. We walk to school because it is close. They walk their dog in the park daily. I study English for 1 hour every day. She studies hard for her university exams. You cook delicious food for your family. He cooks dinner when his wife is tired. We watch movies on Friday evenings. They watch the news to stay informed. I listen to music while I work. She listens to the radio in the car. You clean your room every weekend. He cleans his car once a week. We buy fresh vegetables at the market. They buy their clothes online. I start my work at 8 o'clock. She starts her day with some exercise. You help your parents with the chores. He helps his brother with his homework. We travel to the beach every summer. They travel for work quite often. I need some help with this project. She needs a new pair of shoes soon. You want to learn how to swim. He wants to visit his grandparents today. We enjoy spending time with our friends. They enjoy a quiet life in the village. I take the bus to get to work. She takes her kids to the park daily. You wash your face before you go out. He washes the dishes after every meal. We start our morning with a walk. They start their meeting at 10. I check my emails every morning. She checks the weather before she leaves. You find interesting things in this shop. He finds his keys in his jacket pocket. We call our parents every Sunday. They call us when they arrive home. I run in the park every morning. She runs much faster than me. You stay at home on rainy days. He stays at a hotel when he visits. We open the windows to get fresh air. They open their shop at 9 sharp. I close the door when I leave. She closes the window at night. You pay your bills on time. He pays for his coffee with a card. We show our tickets at the entrance. They show their photos to everyone. I ask many questions in class. She asks for directions when she is lost. You answer the phone very quickly. He answers every question correctly. We finish our work early on Fridays. They finish their meal and leave. I use my laptop for my online work. She uses her phone for social media. You wait for the bus at the stop. He waits for his friend at the cafe. We hope for a sunny weekend. They hope to see you again soon. I try to learn something new daily. She tries to eat healthy food. You practice your English every day. He practices the piano for hours. We love our life in this town. They love going for long walks. I feel happy when I see you. She feels tired after her long shift. You make breakfast for the kids. He makes his bed every morning. We keep our house very clean. They keep their promises to us. I give you my best advice. She gives flowers to her mother.